Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Got another unboxing video for you, and it is August JOAHBOX, and that's what it looks like. So if you know all there is to know about JOAHBOX and you just want to know what the items are inside this month's box, I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. But JOAHBOX is a Korean beauty subscription box. It contains around 5 beauty products, and every single month since I've received it, I've had a face mask. So I think a monthly face mask is like a staple in these boxes. So they offer different price options. You can buy a one-off box, or you can buy a monthly subscription, or a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost, plus you can cancel any time. So to opt for the monthly subscription box, it'll cost you $35.95, which is around 28 UK pounds or 31 euros and 50. And that includes shipping because they ship worldwide for free. When you sign up to JOAHBOX, you get the option to fill out like a short questionnaire, and it's just to give them a bit of background information about you, your preferences, and like your skin tone, your skin type, and whether you prefer makeup or skincare, or you like a mix of both, which then helps them to tailor the box as closely to your specific needs as possible. Inside the box contains makeup, skincare, hair care, and nail care products. JOAHBOX is kindly gifted to me. I've been receiving it now for about 8 or 9 months, I think, so I've been receiving it for quite a long while. They send it to me every single month so that I can unbox it on my channel to show you. So I'll have a look online to see if I can find any discount codes and all links related to this box, and if I can find any codes, well, I'll list it down below in the description. So underneath this video you'll see show more, click that, that will bring up description, and all links and everything will be down there. So let's open it up and see what I got inside. I haven't opened it up yet, so I like to have a surprise. We got, oh my god, it looks like we've got quite a few things in here. It's quite a few. I'll just give you a quick look without it falling down. So inside every box we get a leaflet, and it's JOAHBOX's 2nd birthday, so this is the 2nd anniversary box. So it tells you everything about the products inside this box, and it gives you the price as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end and give you an overall value. So the first item then, we got Calm Leaf, and this is Surely Green 100 face oil, 30 mils. Ooh, not sure if I'm showing you the right way or not there. That's what it looks like there. That bottle is so smart. Oh wow, look at that, look at that. Can you see there? How cool is that bottle? So a nice big size bottle. I love facial oils, absolutely love them. I tend to mix them with moisturisers. I don't know what that is, I've put too much on my hand now. Can't blend it in. So this facial oil is full size, and the recommended retail price is $35. And it says it's formulated with 10 kinds of nature originated oils such as sunflower, jojoba, meadow foam, sweet almond, avocado, olive, camellia, and bitter orange. Its soft texture gives deep hydration. The natural fragrance is luxurious and special. This product is free of harmful ingredients with no synthetic pigment and fragrance, and it is tested to be sensitive skin friendly. Oh whoa, that's going to last me ages because I only tend to use a tiny bit. So no, really chuffed with that. Next we got, I think it's a lipstick. This is by I think. Selfie Velvet Lip Tint by W Lab. And it's 02 Mild On, so it sort of looks like the shade I tend to go for in lipsticks. But what's this one like? So Selfie Velvet Lip Tint. Oh, it is. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I got loads of these lipsticks now, these shades I should say. Oh, this is nice, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. It looks like it's going to be more like a stain. Does it say that? Does it say lip tint? Yeah, it looks like it's going to be like a lip stain, which is nice. Some people like lip stains, some don't, but I quite like it because it means then if it rubs off, I still got a bit of a colour on my lips, so it's fine. But no, I love that shade. So I'm not sure if we get different ones in this box depending on like your preference. I'm not too sure, but what's it say here? Yeah, you get a choice of 4, and the recommended retail price is $15. This lip tint infused with shea, mango seed and avocado butter, but also camellia flower, marigold flower and cherry blossom flower extract will nourish your lips and give hydrating glow. You can apply it fully on the lips or as a gradient for the Korean style, and you'll either get shade Red Bloom or Mild On, which is what I've got, or Soft Holic or Mood Lock. You will receive one of this colour. So can you see the top there? So those are the different shades there. No, I'm chuffed to that. So there's that item. Next we've got a pot of something. I don't know how you say it. Aminau. It's body scrub. And yeah, it's a little pot of body scrublet. Looks like a big teardrop. So the recommended retail price for this is $2.50. This body scrub is composed of 100% salt from sands of Mediterranean sea deserts and amino acid oil mixed together. There are more than 30 types of minerals included, which contains 10 times more calcium, magnesium and potassium compared to general salt. Also, it's perfect to use during summer and travel friendly. Oh my gosh. And it says, before using it, mix the product with your finger to blend salt and amino oil together. Massage your skin, draw in circles to remove dead skin. So it's only like a one-use one, but no, it'd be interesting to try, see what that is like. It sounds good, doesn't it, with all those ingredients? We've got a brush by, is it Kiko? Can't say it. This looks like a mask brush. So it looks like this. It's got a nice soft but flat, so perfect for a face brush. Not a face brush, perfect for a face mask brush. So it's a pack brush and the recommended retail price for this is $18. This gold synthetic brush is perfect to apply oil, mask, pack or foundation. Alright, okay. The silky soft brush is also light and easy to clean. So now a nice handy brush to have. I don't have many of these, if any anymore, I don't think. So I'm glad to have that one actually, because that will come in handy. Because I got a clay mask here from Revolution that I'm going to do a video about, so no. I'll use that for that. Next we got a Comleaf, so it's the same brand as the oil. And this is green tea oil blotting paper. And I'll just take it out of the packaging. So it looks like there. It looks like a little pouch. Little blotting papers. There's quite a few in there. Oh, I love the little pouch that it's in. Really like that. You just do this. Whoop. And then it comes out like that then. Green tea oil blotting paper. That is handy to pop in a handbag, isn't it? To mop away any excess grease. Ew. I've got it. Yuck. Don't want to show you that. So the recommended retail price for this is $4. Stay matte all day with a green tea oil blotting paper. It is composed of real green tea extract to perfectly removed oil on your face. So there's that. Then we got some samples. Now these are added freebies. So these are by Kiko, if I'm saying that right, and it's from the same make as the makeup brush that I showed you earlier on. Correct Control Cream, SPF 30. So there's that. And then we've got Ultra Moisturising Sun Cream SPF 50. So there's that. This might be like a brand new brand to JOAHBOX. And yes, so we got some added extras. And lastly, we got the mask. I love the design of this, that is so pretty. This is Get It Beauty Celebrity Pure Mask. Green Pure Complex Controls Excessive Sebum. So there's that. Now my skin isn't really that greasy. It's combination to Norm's combination, but yeah. So I might save that for my daughter actually, because she's got more of a greasy face at the moment. So what's it say here? So this is Celebrity Aqua Mask. The retail price for this is $4. The cellulose mask pack is smooth and does not irritate your skin. It is composed of triple hyaluronic acid for intensive moisture and multi-seaweed complex to reinforce vitality. They've given me the wrong one. They've given me a wrong one. I just read one which is more like which is for my skin type then, so I thought it was a bit odd that they sent me a face mask for excessive sebum. I should have had this one, which is the Aqua Mask for hydration. Never mind, I'll give this to my daughter anyway. So those are all the items, so I'm just gonna gather them all up and I'm gonna add them up and then I'll come back. So these are all the items inside August JOAHBOX. It comes to $78.50. We have got quite a few items here, it feels like it anyway. Have we got more than normal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 or 6 items we get, and then we've got these 2 extra freebies then, so I'm not really counting those. But as always, I am really excited with the products. The face oil, I love face oil, I love facial oils. The mask I'm going to give to my daughter, but this body scrub sounds amazing. The lipstick is perfect colour for me, it's definitely a colour I go for, and as I said about this brush, that's going to be handy for a up and coming video. And yeah, these blotting papers, I'm going to pop that in my handbag, so I think that would be quite nice just to like blot put away sweat and grease throughout the day. And I'll give these two a go as well. They sound really great. Besides the mask, which I think they made a mistake on, there's nothing that does not impress me this month. I think it's really good. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Have you received JOAHBOX this month? What do you think of the contents? And yeah, if you're not subscribed, is it a box that takes your fancy? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.